So around 1 year ago, actually exactly 1 year ago, Redmi unveiled the K20 Pro in India, its first flagship in India, and it got trolled online because, well, Redmi is a budget-oriented brand. It releases most of the phones in the budget segment, and so when it released a flagship, which was obviously priced higher than the rest of the lineup, people had a hard time digesting that. But now, as of recording this video, it's available for slightly lower in price, 25,000 rupees, and I think at that price it has incredible hardware. Like, if you look at it, it's a truly full screen notchless display, a premium glass build all over, a headphone jack, and most importantly, Snapdragon 855, which provides some of the best PUBG gameplays. Also, for the enthusiasts, it supports a variety of ROMs, which is incredibly exciting. तो बढ़िया डील है। हाँ, तो खरीद लूँ। See, even though it has the best hardware at 25k, the software is extremely flawed, and it's not flawed by just displaying ads in the operating system. That's basic now. It's flawed because it is not secure. It is in fact one of the worst when it comes to maintaining your privacy, and you don't even have to look that far. It begins right when you're setting up your phone for the very first time. It displays a bunch of settings that are enabled by default, but I think you should disable all of them. There is also an option for advertisements, but these are personalized ads. So even if you disable them, you still get ads anyways. It just won't track your usage apparently. And once you're done setting up your phone, you find tons and tons of bloatware, a lot of which you can't even delete. Like the cleaner app on the home screen. It, in my opinion, is completely useless. And if you agree to the terms and conditions, it can basically access anything from your phone. The other such app is the security app, which again you cannot delete, but it is surprisingly affiliated to Clean Master. And in case you don't know, Clean Master was recently listed among the 59 apps that have been banned by the Indian government. So if you think about it, it is actually shocking that these apps have not yet been removed via software updates. In fact, MIUI is shipping on the Poco M2 Pro with these apps pre-installed on the system, even now, after the government has passed an order to ban the apps. So at the end, it's all about money making. Like, making an operating system secure costs a lot of money, and it's not like Xiaomi cannot do that. Of course they can do this. They're one of the most valuable companies in terms of money. They have incredible talent, I'm sure. But when they're already selling millions of phones to millions of people in a very short span, like every month or so, in India, without any major backlash from the consumer, why bother? So I think even though it's providing such incredible hardware at such an attractive price tag, it's really hard for me to recommend it. I mean, it can, and that's the only reason I didn't talk about hardware. Like, this video could have been a proper commercial revisited video of the K20 Pro that would gain hundreds and thousands of views, talking about the camera, the performance, the design, but that's irrelevant. That's irrelevant in front of privacy issues that have been highlighted in the recent times. I think there is not, buying a phone which does not value your privacy is like building a bathroom which does not have a door but has a window. So it can be a lot of fun for people from the outside, on the outside, but they're wrong. And I think as a consumer, you should keep that in mind. Okay, that's it. But before I leave, I actually want to quickly give a shout out to Anil Pal, who was kind enough to lend me the K20 Pro around this time for a day so that I could make this video. And he actually deals in used gadgets. He sells and buys, and he offers great prices. He can be a great go-to guy for you like he is for me, because OLX is a bit of a hit or try for me as of now. I'll leave his Instagram linked below. Make sure to follow him, and also make sure to do the needful with the channel. Make sure to turn on all the notifications, because I'm not stopping to upload anytime soon. Okay, talk to you in the next one. Bye.